Welcome to the session. Program for International Student Assessment is a project of member countries of the OECD, Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development. Is a competency based assessment. Today we are going to discuss about discipline of science part 1. In this video, the following topics going to discuss about discipline of science. First, branches of science. Second, importance of teaching science. There are so many definitions are there for science, but one of such a important definition is science is the study of the nature and the behavior of natural things and the knowledge that we obtain about them. In the nature there are two types of things, some are living things and others non-living things. Next, what is meant by discipline? Discipline is the field of study on particular subject like physics discipline, chemistry discipline and biology discipline, etc. In this slide you see there are so many pictures are there. All these pictures are related to the branches of science and sub branches of science. Why is the teaching science so important? Science is a huge part of our daily lives, from technology to transportation to medicine to legal issues and government decisions. And the pace of research and discovery is quickly accelerating. That makes it more important than ever to understand science, for in doing so students can better understand the world. For this, the main purpose of teaching science is teaching students how to learn, think and solve problems in day-to-day life. Learning becomes joyful when students have interest, motivation and engagement in the subject. Teachers should encourage the students and motivate the students to learn the concepts of science easily. Science teachers should develop using multiple intelligence of students in order to maximize teaching learning of science. Opportunities for close observation should be provided by way of hands-on experience of activities and experiments. Teaching science requires critical thinking, effective communication, collaboration and creativity. Real life scenarios, peer-to-peer interaction and teaching hands-on activities, science projects, and field research journals are effective teaching techniques in the science curricula. Instruction in science often can foster greater interpersonal skills and independent thought. Critical thinking. Critical thinking requires certain skills. Those skills are observation, analysis, interpretation, reflection, evaluation, inference, explanation, problem solving, and decision making. These skills can be inculcated among the students by the teachers during the class transitions in the class. Creativity means to generate ideas through imagination. In this picture, it is the string theory. If you see the size of from micro level to macro level, the size of the particle is the order of 10 to the power minus 15 meters, that is very small in size, to the vast size, that is size of the universe, as the order of 10 to the power of 27 meters, that is macroscopic level. These all from microscopic to macroscopic size divided into 5 branches of science. First one is formal science, the second one is physical science, the third one is life sciences, fourth one is social sciences, fifth one is the earth and space sciences. These are the major branches of science. Formal sciences, the study of mathematics, logic, and statistics. Natural sciences, the study of natural phenomena. Natural science can be divided into two main branches, one physical sciences and the second one is the life sciences. Social science is the study of human behavior and societies. General interest in science. These are the major subjects: physics, chemistry, astronomy, geology, biology of plants, human biology. These are all major subjects are categorized into 4 areas as per OECD to conduct PISA test. First one is the physical sciences, second life sciences, third earth and space sciences, fourth one is the science based technology. Based on these 4 areas, the test items will be asked in PISA. Now assignment. After going through this video, please answer the following questions. What are the 5 branches of science? The second question is, why is scientific questioning important? Thank you all of you. The remaining part of discipline of science we'll discuss in the next session. Thank you once again.